In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Zoho CRM homepage for better daily use. We'll walk through creating a homepage that actually matches the way you work, so when you log in each day, the most important information is right in front of you. First, open your browser and go to your Zoho CRM account. Make sure you're signed in with a profile that has permission to customize the homepage. Once you're on the main Zoho CRM screen, look for the Home tab. This is usually where you land by default, and it's the page we're going to customize. Now, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small gear icon, which represents settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This takes you into the setup area where you can control different aspects of your CRM. Inside the settings page, you'll see a search bar, typically at the top. In that search bar, type Customize Homepage. Zoho will automatically filter the available options as you type, making it quicker to find what you need. When you see the option labeled Customize Homepage, click on it. This will open the dedicated homepage customization section. Here, you'll see a list of existing homepages, if any have already been created for your organization. To create something tailored to your own needs, look for the button that says New Homepage and click it. This starts a fresh layout where you're in full control. Once you're in the new homepage builder, this is where the real customization begins. You can usually add different components or widgets such as dashboards, lists of open deals, today's tasks, or recent activities. Think about what you check every single day. Maybe it's your pipeline, follow-up tasks, new leads, or support tickets. Prioritize those elements on your homepage. Drag and drop the available components into the layout, arranging them in a way